Lisa Reer versus Leon Brown. Your name again, sir?
Leon Brown.
All right.
Step 1 in court, identity check. Simple but crucial. Cases have collapsed just because names didn't match up properly on record.
So, did you do a lit? You need to take your hands out of your pockets.
I got a bad back. I'll just sit down. Your Honor, I have had a second thought. I don't wanna go back. It makes me sick. I'm sick from being around these people after what I've been through. I just want to get this over with, get going.
All right.
It's simple.
Got it.
Listen closely. Brown already sounds defeated. He doesn't even want to fight, just end things. Ever seen someone give up before the bell rings? That's the vibe here.
So as to possession,
It's good over.
whatever's there, okay. We can do that. Now, there's a money claim also. Go ahead, Mr. Fink.
As long as the record is clear that Mr. Brown has surrendered possession of all the premises and has abandoned anything else that is there. We can dismiss once that record's made, we can dismiss the entire case without prejudice.
Here's a twist. Dismiss without prejudice. Translation? The case isn't dead, it can come back. A pause button, not a stop button.
And Ms. Reppert will assess her damages and decide whether to proceed in small claims or pursue him in a general civil action.
All right. You understand that, sir, or no?
There was as much stuff there when I moved there that I had to clean up for 2 months. The gantry sheets, 5 truckloads in the basement, the beds, the couches, had to move her out, move me in. I think we're even. Let's just go. It's over. There's no damages. This is extortion.
Sir. All right, let's break this apart.
Excuse me.
You are giving up possession of the premises, correct?
I have.
All right, and that would include the entirety of the leased premises. Whatever you were there, okay.
Yes.
And that any property that's there, you're giving up any claim to any property that was
Yes.
left there, correct?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything you do not understand about that surrender of possession of the premises?
No.
Okay, all right. Now, Mr. Fink has also indicated that they would dismiss without prejudice the entire claim, so there wouldn't be a money judgment going along with this at this time. After inspection of the premises, should the plaintiff choose to pursue in small claims court,
Boom! The landlord keeps a back door open. If damages show up later, she can still sue in small claims. Fair move or a never-ending headache for Brown. What do you think?
claim against you for damages, she could do that. All right. You would have at that time the ability to raise those claims that you're raising now. So, for example, that you moved her in or that you had to do other things, whatever you think might offset any monetary claim.
I would like to get it settled now because there's no damages either way.
Okay, so, all right. I get that. But the problem is I don't know that that's going to be able to occur because I don't know that she's done an inspection of the premises.
She's living.
Hold it, sir.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Thanks, it's my court. I appreciate it.
Have we settled the issue of possession?
Yes.
Even with Mrs. Brown not present?
Well, yes, that's going to be a problem because
Well, if we have Mr. Brown sworn that and he asserts on the record under oath that they have surrendered possession and claim no right to possession. And then the next part is, let's give the plaintiff 30 days to, or 45 days to amend the complaint, give them time to answer, and then you keep jurisdiction and we'll just come back on this money claim, or we would, if we decide not to amend the complaint, submit a motion to dismiss. But that way, he doesn't have to worry about something hanging over his head, whether it's going to happen. And we can just keep proceeding with this case.
All right.
I didn't want to do that, but it sounds like he would be more comfortable just proceeding.
Well, I don't think that's what he wants to do, actually. I think he wants to end it, but he wants to end it without, well, let me ask this. Are you living in the premises?
No, sir.
You're not. Okay. Yes.
She was there last night, house wide open with her dogs, all
Okay.
there.
I was doing your,
All right. Y'all know too much about each other, first thing. Sir, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. The questions that I asked you regarding surrender of the premises, all of those answers are correct,
Yes,
and you surrendered the premises and are abandoning any property that's contained under the premises. Okay. With reference to Melinda, she has also no longer residing in those premises, is to your understanding?
yes.
All right.
And has given me permission to end the case.
All right. Are we gonna do this by way of a conditional dismissal, or how are we doing this?
My original thought was we just dismiss the case without prejudice.
Got it. I see what you're saying.
And then if this Robert decides to pursue a collection case, frankly, I think it's unlikely that it's cost effective to retain me to do the collection.
That should she do? Okay,
But if she does, she won't be prejudiced.
got it. Okay. Did you understand that part, sir? So here's what's happening. Here's what would happen if we read this. This case would be dismissed, which is what you want. Subject to one thing. Should Ms. Reppert decide that she wishes to pursue a claim for money damages, either for damages, for whatever, okay? And certainly you may disagree with that. She would have the right to do that.
And me also.
You would have a right to assert any defenses or assert any claim. But as for this case would be dismissed without prejudice, understanding that you and your wife have given up possession of the premises. That would work for you?
Yes.
How about I submit I think it's an MC-09 dismissal. Under the 7-day rule, it includes a line that says other conditions defendants have surrendered possession without prejudice. And I'll submit that to the court on the 7-day rule. I'll just need Mr. Brown's address for dismissal.
All right. Would that work for you?
We can use my post office box.
Fine with me, Jeff.
That's
Because
fine.
I don't want these people knowing.
Okay,
Sure.
okay.
PO box is good. You have it.
You have his PO box? Okay, so she can get that to you. All right, very good. Thank you, folks. Case dismissed.
7 hours in court, and it ends with a quiet dismissal. No drama, no gavel slam, just paperwork. But remember, without prejudice means the story could still continue.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is that it for the Fink Show for today? That is, okay. Huh? Yeah, finally. 7 hours later.